7c, here it is. It's 2 to the x plus 1 is equal to 8 to the x minus 4. Well, let's write that out, yeah? So I've got 2 to the x plus 1 is equal to 8 to the x minus 4. Now, I do like these ones because you're going to have to think a little bit more about them. So 2 to this, 8 to that. Well, we want the bases to be the same. So let's rewrite this one. I'm going to keep 2 as my base on one side. But I'm looking at the 8. Well, 8 is actually 2 times 2 times 2. So what is 2 times 2 times 2? So if I think, right, so 8 is, I'll just put a little side insert here. 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. In other words, 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. So instead of an 8 here, I could just write 2 to the 3. Instead of an 8 here, I could just put 2 to the power of 3. That's 2 to the power of 3 times all of that there, minus 4. Now, suddenly the bases are the same. I've got a 2, and I got a 2. So now I've got an x minus 1, sorry, x plus 1, my bad, is equal to a 3, x minus 4. Well, I'm just going to expand this out. I'm going to say x plus 1 is equal to, well, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4 is minus 12. Now, I personally would like to have this on the other side, so I'm just going to rewrite that on the other side. So I've got a 3x minus 12 is equal to x plus 1. The reason I want that is I want the bigger x on the side because I'm going to subtract x from both sides. I don't want to have the smaller x on the side and be subtracting 3x from both sides and end up with a negative. It just gives me an extra step that I have to think about. So I'm going to first of all add 12 to both sides. There it is, add 12 to both sides. Of course, 12 and negative 12 is 0, so I've got a 3x here is equal to x plus, well, 1 and 12 is 13. And I've got over this side, I've got an x, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. There it is. So 3x minus x is going to be 2x, and 2x is going to be 13. Now, there's nothing easily that this works with. I'm just going to leave it as an improper fraction. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I end up with an x is equal to 13 on 2, which is going to be my answer. I'm not going to try and do that. You could, if you wanted, say, well, that's going to be 6.5 or something like that. But I like the improper fractions. I personally would leave it there. So that's going to be my answer.